Morning children, let's continue with exercise 2.5. Question number 1. Solve the following equations. First part is x upon 2 minus 1 upon 5 equal x upon 3 plus 1 upon 4. Okay, first of all, the first step is transposing. Okay, x term will transpose to one side and constant term transpose to other side. Here x upon 2, x upon 3 shifted to left hand side, it become x upon minus x upon 3 equal 1 upon 4 and 1 upon 5 transpose to right hand side, minus become plus and it will be 1 upon 5. Now LCM of these two, LCM of 2 or 3 is 6, so that 2 3 ja 6, 3x upon 2 into 3, 3 to the 6, 2x upon 3 into 2. Similarly here LCM of 4 and 5 is 20. So 4 5 is 20, 5 upon 20 plus 1 upon 5, 5 4 is 20, 4 upon 20. LCM of 4 and 5 is 20. 4 5 ja 20 or 5 4 ja 20. Okay students, now 3x upon 6 minus 2x upon 6. Here 5 plus 4, 9 upon 20. 5 plus 4, 9 upon 20. Here 3x minus 2x is 1x upon 6 equal to 9 upon 20. By cross multiplication, x equal to 9 multiply 6 upon 20. We will reduce the lowest term. 2 3 ja 6 and 2 10 ja 20. X equal to 9 3 ja 27 upon 10. So the required answer is x equal to 27 upon 10. Okay. Okay students, question number 3. X plus 7 minus 8x upon 3 equal to 17 upon 6 minus 5x upon 2. Okay students, now solve this question. First of all, what we have to do, we will arrange term of x in one side and constant term in other side. Okay, here is x minus 8x upon 3 and 5x shift to left hand side, it become plus 5x upon 2 equal 17 upon 6 and 7 transpose to right hand side, it become minus 7. Okay students, here write 1 upon 1, here write 1. Clear? Now take the LCM of x term and LCM of constant term. Here you will observe that LCM of 1 3 2 is 6. Okay, so it become 1 6. 6x upon 6 minus 3 2 ja 6, 3 2 ja 6, 8x multiply 2 and 3 multiply 2, 36 plus 2 3 ja 6, 5x multiply 3 and 2 multiply 3. Here students, again LCM of 6 and 1 is 6. So that 17 upon 6 minus 1 6 is 6. 7 into 6 upon 6. Okay. Now 6x upon 6 minus 8 2 ja 16x upon 6 plus 5 3 ja 15x upon 6 equal to 17 minus 42 upon 6. Here you can solve this by six x minus 16x plus 15x upon 6 equal to 17 minus 42 upon 6. Here minus 10, 6 minus 16 minus 10 plus 15 is that 5x upon 6 equal to and 17 minus 42 25 upon 6 minus 25 upon 6. 17 minus 42 is minus 25. Then by cross multiplication x equal to minus 25 upon 6. 6 is cross multiply here, 5 is cross multiply here. 6 into 6 or 5 5 ja 25. So x equal to minus 5. Answer is x equal to minus 5. Okay students, next question number 6. m minus 1 upon 2 equal 1 minus m minus 2 upon 3. Okay, here is one important point is this, it's whole upon 2, it's whole upon 3. Okay students, now first of all transpose here m minus m upon 2 and minus plus 1 upon 2. 1 minus m upon 3 minus minus plus 2 upon 3. Okay students, we open the bracket. It is under the bracket, in the bracket. Okay, m minus 1 is in the bracket. Here m minus 2 is in the bracket. So when we open the bracket, sign will be changed. M upon 2 minus minus plus 1 upon 2. Here m upon 3 and minus minus plus 2 upon 3. Now transpose terms containing m one side and terms, constant terms, in other side. Okay, it become m minus m upon 2 and m upon 3 shifted to this side, become plus m upon 3. Okay students, here is 1 and 2 upon 3. 1 upon 2 shifted to this side, become minus 1 upon 2. So now time to take LCM. Write m upon 1. Here write 1 upon 1. So LCM of 1, 2, 3 is 6. Okay. So 6m into 6 minus 2 3 ja 6. 3m upon 2 into 3 plus 3 2 ja 6. Multiply both side by 2. 2m upon 3 into 2 equal, here also 6 LCM. It become 1 3 2 LCM is 6. 6 upon 6 plus 2 into 3. 3 to 6. 2 upon 3. 3 2 ja 6 minus 2 3 ja 6. 2 3 ja 6, multiply by 3. The students, is become 6m upon 6 minus 3m upon 6 plus 2m upon 6 equal 6 upon 6 plus 4 upon 6 minus 3 upon 6. Okay, now 6m minus 3m plus 2m upon 6 equal 6 plus 4 minus 3 upon 6. 6 plus 4 minus 3 upon 6. 6m minus 3m plus 2m upon 6. 6m minus 3m, 3m. 3m plus 2m, 5m. 6 minus 3, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. Here 6 plus 4, 10. 10 minus 3, 7. 7 upon 6. Now cross multiplication. M equal to 7 upon 6. 6 multiply here and 5 multiply. 6 6 cancel. M equal to 7 upon 5. So value of M is 7 upon 5. Okay. Okay students, now time to assign you homework. Solve question number 2, 4 and 5 of exercise 2.5. Thank you.